toilet when you need to clean it.
And what you do?
And you get all that nasty stuff in your hair. Boom!
You clean the toilet bowl with your mouth after Tony has diarrhea.
Oh, you got smashed. Tell her again. How she wipe her butt? How she wipe her butt with her foot, Nisa?
She wipe her butt with her foot. She go like this. Yeah, I told you. And she goes like this. You do this. That's when you pee.
And see, how you wipe your butt with your shirt, Kalisha? How you wipe your butt with your shirt? The back of your shirt?
And then, Mommy, you know what she does? She puts her hand in the toilet and cleans it with all that doo-doo in it.
You know how I clean my butt when I boo-boo? I stick it right in your daddy's face and he mix it off.
Now, Mama takes it all off by shaking her butt and it all splurts over her butt right into the toilet.
Tony's mouth is the toilet.
And then she uses her big butt and then she pushes it down on the toilet flusher and it's
Damn.
And then, you know what Mama does? When she needs to clean out the backyard instead of raping the leaks, she gets you and she lays you on the ground and then when she has to poo-poo, she poo-poos in your mouth and then you swallow it.
You crazy.
And then
That crazy. Say
for your
anything.
drink, she pee-pees in your mouth.
Kids gone wild. Straight going on YouTube.
Just like your drink. And it's saying that if you lived in Africa, you would have a meal.
Who?
A meal.
A meal.
Hey, Mama,
You got a meal at McDonald's.
inside her. You know what Mama cleans her. What she washed off with her
Hey, you
body.
gonna hurt your damn self, honey?
You know what Mommy washed off with her
I got
body.
it on purpose.
She gets her hand in the toilet, picks up the poo-poo, and scrubs it all over her, and then she gets to pee-pee and wash herself off, and then to dry herself, she gets the little thing instead of the towel, and then she dries herself off, and then when she puts on her clothes, she doesn't put no. All she does is just make boo-boo clothes and pee-pee pants. And when she brushes her teeth, she uses toothpaste as the pee-pee and as the toothbrush the poo-poo.
What is you talking about,
She
man?
goes like this. And then she spits out her poo-poo in Tony's mouth.
You got me bent.
Where's Felicia? I bet I can do that party rock. I bet I could do the shuffle.